I'm inside our pizzeria container, which is still very much a construction site, but I wanted to show you a few little tips and tricks if you are going to build a cafe or a restaurant out of a shipping container. So the first thing I wanted to mention is that the inner wall of a shipping container is also the outer wall. So if you are planning to screw or mount or bolt anything to the wall, what you actually need to do is what's called tagging the wall. Now it might be a little bit hard to see in this video, but the shipping container is corrugated, and in some of these corrugations we've welded some solid steel plates, which allows us to bolt this bracketing to the plate rather than bolting it to the outer wall. The last thing you want to be doing is drilling into the outer wall and putting a hole in it, because you're going to create leaks. So you've got a nice strong steel plate, good strong surface for this shelving. It also helps with things like mounting hot water systems, air conditioning and plumbing. So here's my tip. If you're thinking about building a container, using a container to build a cafe or a restaurant, don't drill straight into the outer wall. You need to weld some tagging in place to give you something to bolt to that is not the outer wall. If you'd like to find out more about modifying a shipping container, call us on 1300 556 991 or visit our website www.containersfirst.com.au.